Good morning everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So starting off with Euro USD as we usually do, and on the 8th hour you can see this is the next level. There's no two ways about it. You might as well just do that, because any kind of price action on any of these tails is going to be an opportunity to buy into this. And if you look at the oscillators here, don't quite have diversions just yet. I suppose from that little swing low you do, but I'd be interested in from this swing low. So there, we just got a decent separation of the oscillators. So this is leaning towards pullback, flag, setup, and this is the zone that I'd be waiting for. So we are not interested in jumping in long here. We're interested in looking for structure down here at 110.937. and 110.541. And bear in mind, just look left. You'd have to scroll back quite far to pick up the other tails that are in here. So you can see all these other tails in between this level. These two levels that I've given you would definitely set you up for an opportunity to the upside. So that's what we're waiting for. If we move to US dollar Japanese yen, we're still very much in this flag. Look at the oscillators now. A lot more structure here, and we've got this level of chaos here. So I wouldn't want to be just jumping in short here for the sake of jumping in short. We need to wait for a setup, and the setup unfortunately is going to be a break and retest. So what I mean by that is the swing low that gets formed. At the moment, this is the closest one. You're looking for a break below it and a retest. And when you get the retest, then you're looking for a move to the bottom of the range first. Then I'd want to see a break retest before this play happens. So this is the level 139.732. I'm not interested in longs. This gap has closed as expected yesterday, but I'm definitely not interested in longs on this. Just not looking at what's going on the 8 hour. Moving on to the pound and British pound Japanese yen. We're still pretty much going nowhere here. You can see there another big down, big up, big down, big up day. This one I have zero interest in even trying to second guess, so we'll just leave that alone. And Euro British pound has broken some structure, but we've dropped below again. So looking at the 8 hour, we do have crossovers here. So look left, look for an area of support. That's the closest area there. And what we'd be looking for is an opportunity to buy into this. Could be a double top here formation on the 1 hour, but I would watch what happens here. That's at 0.86362. This is a 50-50 call, to be honest. Could be a double top forming for a bigger move down, but then if you look at the 8 hour, it does look like it's a trend reversal to the upside. But where we're reversing off is a massive area of weekly support. So yeah, I think long weekend is the call for me here. I'm not interested in trying to second guess which way we're going, especially not with that big rejection that we've got yesterday. So that on the daily is going to be a pin bar, and it's going to be a red pin bar as well. And that's if my data will refresh. And typically what you don't want to do is you don't really want to be jumping in on pin bars like that, especially not when they're forming on a higher time frame like the daily. And just our luck, it's not going to give us what I'm looking for. Just try this here. If you look at the 8 hour, you can see there's two tweezer top basically. It is separated by 2 bars, but that's definitely something that you want to be a bit scared of. There we go. So on the daily, off the 155, 1 pin bar, and then you've got this big red pin bar. So yeah, take it whichever way you want. I don't foresee a move up at the moment, but anything can happen, especially when you're looking at what's going on the hour. It is possible that that's a rejection for the downside, but then you look at it again on the 8 hour, it could very well just be a retest of this chaos to the left, and then we're looking for a pullback on structure for another move up. Anyway, I'm on the sides, not going to try and second guess this one. Hope that helps, and We will catch up with you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend.